good, YouTube? This is Cortez, aka Profit Baby. I'm coming out with a new video today, and we're going to talk about how to get great entries in the market every single time, right? It's a really simple, easy way. It's not super complicated. You gotta have some patience, waiting on your setups and things like that. And I always buy, your highs and your lows, or aka your supports, or the support or resistance, or your supply and demand zones, whatever you like to talk. So what we're gonna do, you can use MT4 or TradingView or whatever you use to trade. I use TradingView, just like how the platform looks. We're gonna do this example on US30, one of my favorite pairs, but it's about the only thing that I trade besides crypto. So what we're gonna do first, come up here, say indicators. We're gonna type in moving average right there. We're gonna click that twice. And then after that, or we could stay on the screen, we're gonna type in support. Computer just stopped typing. Yes, okay, there we go. My computer started tweaking on me. Support and resistance, and as you see, it's plenty support and resistance indicators, right? We'll just click this one. So now it shows all our levels of support and resistance, right? So key thing I always remember, if you're new to trading, things like that, or know too much, or even if you are a good trader, you might just forget sometimes. I always buy at supports, which would be these orange lines that they have, and I always sell at resistance, which would be on these blue lines. So resistance would be our highs, the support would be our lows. So I always do that. If you don't do nothing else, always follow that. All right, so what we're gonna do first, come here to this first MA. We'll change this to 7 length or 7 period. I like to make my lines a little thicker. Hit OK. Go to the next MA. Do whatever colors and things that you like, totally on you in your chart. We'll put this on the 14 period. I'm gonna make that line a little thicker too. Boom. Okay. So the rule is really simple, right? Really, really simple. Don't overthink this. So anytime these two MA cross each other, you enter your trade, right? So if you're crossing to the downside, we're getting in for sales. If we're crossing to the upside, we're getting in for buys, right? And as you see, even if we go back to this a little bit, you can do this on your own. I should do this another. I'm gonna do this another color so you can just see it better. Let's do read it. Okay, yeah. Red and orange will be fine. All right, so right here, so see when they cross each other to the upside, what we do? We went up, and then look what we bought it at a support. Remember this is, and these are daily areas as well because we're on the daily chart. Prime example, another one again. We hit these zones, caught that crossing at a resistance, boom, we drop. So basically, like I said, anytime these MA cross each other, you enter in a trade. So like I said, if it's crossing to the upside, you buy, cross to the downside, you sell. And you could do this on any time frame that you like to trade on. The higher are better, of course, because the plays are bigger. Less noise out the charts and things like that, but some people could be scalpers and things like that, right? So, excuse me, right here. So prime example, on the 4 hour, we got a crossing at a resistance. Remember that high? Boom. Got a low again. So we should be looking at buys from the zone. Crossed up, boom, price went up. Now this US 30. So let's just say you caught this play out the 4 hour with that crossing. They go 1,000 pip move right there. At $1, that's $1,000. At one lot, it's 100K. Just depending on the size of your account, money you got to spend, uh, you know, that you made. US 30, it moves like that. So that's one reason I love to trade it, because it's volatile and things like that. So prime example is US 30 on the 4 hour. They say you was on the market. You see that we had a support. So we looking at buys. And all you do is just be waiting on this crossing to happen. Once it crosses, you get in and you get out on the next zones. Oh yeah, also too, yeah, gotta say that. So let's say we caught this crossing right here. Our next exit would either be the next crossing, but we want to get out on the next support. So when price came down there and hit this zone, we want to close our trades. And now once we got any support, we should be looking for buys. Boom, cross. Let's go to the 1 hour, look at it.
Hey yo, Nash, you go crazy.
Same thing. Cross happened to the upside, we went up. Cross happened to the downside, we went down. It's still the same thing, no matter the time frame. We're buying at supports, selling at those resistance, or buying at the lows, selling at those highs every single time, right? Like I say, no matter what time frame you go on, you follow those same rules. You enter on the crossings, and you always do it at support. Buy at support, sell at resistance with those crossings every single time. And just know the lower you go, the more crossings you have. The crossings you will have, because the time frame will move a lot faster. So this 1 minute, you could have still ate. Where there's resistance, lines cross, you sell. Boom. At the support, lines cross, you buy. But on these 1 minute, 15 minute, and down, really, you're in the scalping mentality. And then on the 30 and higher, you're not gonna get faked out as much. You can hold trades a lot longer, bigger plays, and things like that. Which you can do that on smaller time frames, as long as you know the direction of the market, you know what you're doing down here, you can eat as well. Like I love the 1 5 minute. Even when I did that first 20K videos, it was literally off the 5 minute chart. But yeah, same thing on the 5 minute. Crossings happen, boom, and then you just buy. You buy at your lows, sell at your highs, waiting on the crossings. Literally, that's the whole strategy right there. And like I said, this video is not gonna be super long, but I'm just showing you like trading can be that simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it or anything like that. And then throw y'all one more solid bone. We go back to the indicators again. Type in those moving averages, right? On this moving average, we're gonna set it at a 200 length, right? 200 period, and let's do, okay, that color's fine. But basically, go back to the higher time frames. Just this. So whatever, when price is under this 200 MMA, you know that you are in a downtrend. So you see how we under it, we went down. Look how long. But that's when Corona started. Like catching that, geez, you would have went crazy that much. Boom. But downtrend happened. The crossing happened up here at this resistance, and boom, you in it. If you wanted to, you could have sold right here and just kept holding all the way down here, because you knew that as long as you was under this 200 MA, you was in a downtrend. So that's just another way you could trade. And then vice versa. Once we're on top of this blue line or this 200 MA, whatever color you want to have it, we're in an uptrend. So that's why prices are starting to going up. So once you get an uptrend, you could just only been taking buys with the MA crossing to the upside, boom, and you could ignore the sales. But as long as you know what you're doing, remember, we have these highs or resistance, we're selling when those crosses happen, boom, and we're buying at the support when those crosses are happening. And you use these 200 MA to let you know if you struggle with knowing what type of trend that the market is currently in. So we go back to that daily chart, you can see it even better. So look, this was an uptrend for a while, then we broke, boom. And prices look like it's trying to go back up here. Is either gonna break this line or use it or keep dropping down, and then shoots past this, come back and test it, then keep heading up to the upside. But yeah, this strategy alone can easily make you $100, a dollar, thousands, millions. Really simple strategy. Just follow your trend, trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. Always remember that. And then once you know your trend, you're just waiting on the crossings to happen. And just always remember, do not ever, when you at support, be selling down here. You need to start buying at supports. And I always sell at the resistance, don't buy at the highs. Sell at the highs and always buy at the lows. Those with the MMAs, the resistance, and this 200 MA alone, you'll be great as a trader. If you don't have like a super duper crazy setup like I do, which I do a video in the future that'll show y'all like my setup. It's next level. It's pretty crazy. But like I said, this is just if you're a beginner or if you experience making money, not making money, but if you just need help with your entries, there you go right there. Just wait on your crossings. Always sell at resistance and buy support. Just being patient. Boom. Trust it. Get in the market. And then use that 200 MA to know your overall trend. So like right here, this is the 15-minute chart. You know that you're in an uptrend. And as soon as those crossings could have happened, you could have bought back here and you could have held all the way to those tops if you wanted to. And look at that.
Hey, yo, Nash,
Boom.
you go crazy.
5 days, 13,000, put $1. That could easily be a $1,300 move. Yeah. So yeah, that's really simple. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment other videos y'all want to see, things like that. Let people know, help this channel grow. Like I said, at the end of the day, I just want to give people value and things they can use, actually be profitable at the end of the day. And like I said, this is free content, man, but this stuff works. I promise you it works. Like I said, Cortez Profit Bay, I'm out. See y'all next time. Y'all stay blessed.